Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming to do another video for you guys today. Um, this video is gonna help the future third graders knowing how to do 3-digit subtraction. So let's go. Let me go share my screen with you. Bonsoir. Parents mieux, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe. Bonsoir, parents mieux, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo pour nous. Vidéo ça, li pral basé côté timio, par contre qui j'en pour you faire soustraction 3 chiffres. All right, so the purpose of this video is to help third graders with subtraction. I'm going to show them step by step with guidance how to do it. We're going to review the vocabulary words for subtraction, and I'm going to model different type of equation that we do. And then at the end of the video, students should be able to do the subtraction on their own. So, parmi mieux, vidéo, ça, li supposé des petits monde qui vont dans troisième année, qui ont difficulté faire soustraction, pour qu'on qui j'en peut faire soustraction 3 chiffres. M'bral montrer étape par étape qui j'en peux faire yo, m'bral réviser soustraction vocabulaire, et puis tout m'bral faire soustraction pour différentes soustractions equation veut dire problème, et puis qu'on y a là, n'a fait vidéo, petit tout à doué qu'a fait soustraction. So boys and girls, so let's go, because Miss Jerome is going to do the subtraction for you. I'm going to do it in English for you, so like that you could pay attention to what I'm saying, so the teacher could do it. I'll do one in Creole. But majority of them is going to be in English, so you could understand, so you could pay attention to the teacher. Okay, so let's go. Review subtraction vocabulary words. These are the vocabulary words you have learned in kindergarten, in first grade, in second grade, and probably pre-K. And you're gonna learn some more in third grade, because vocabulary words in third grade are bigger than these. All right. So these are the vocabulary words we're gonna be looking at. Let me get my pen. These are the vocabulary words we're gonna be looking at. We're going to be looking at, there's the word minus, there's the word take away, there's the word give away, and less than, from, subtract. So, and subtraction too. So, now, why do I need to know all these words? Well, you need to know these words because when the teacher gives you a story, a math story to read, if they have these words, you already know. Pour qui ça me besoin qu'on tout mot ça yo, monsieur? Well, le professeur ba ou une histoire ou li, et sou un mot ça yo, connaît c'est soustraction pour faire. All right? So, let's go. All right. So let me erase my lovely board that I forgot to erase. So I'm going to erase my lovely board. So here's number 1, okay? Here's number 1. So number 1, we're going to do the first problem. So the first problem is going to be, here you go, 300 minus 100. 300 pour retirer 100. So we're going to start on the right. This is 0, take away 0. We always start on top. 0, take away 0 is 0. Then we come here. Now we're here, right here. That's our next one. So we say 0, start on top. 0, take away 0 is 0. Then we go to the next one. The next one, which is all the way to the left, we say 3, take away 1. 3, take away 1 is 2. So that was pretty easy. That was pretty easy. So give me so very good. So you got this. So that was pretty easy. Now we're gonna do step 2. We're gonna do number 2. So number 2, we're gonna do a different one. So remember, I'm gonna do different ones, and you could stop the video anytime to look with your mom and your dad, so you could review how we do it step by step. So step number 2 is, it's going to be 766 minus 539. Okay, so now let's look. Let's look. We start on the right. Nous commençons sur la main droite. You say 6. Remember, we start on top. Always start on top going down. Nous commençons en l'air, descend. So you say 6, take away 9. So if you have 6 fingers, can you take away 9? Do you have 6? Can you take away 9? So let's make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you take 9 away? No. So get 6. Est-ce que vous retirer 9? No. So you go to your next door neighbor, which is right here. Go to your next door neighbor, which is right here. And then you say, neighbor, can I borrow 1? Est-ce qu'il peut prêter une? Can I borrow 1? So if you have 6, you take away 1. What's your answer? 5. So this over here becomes a 5. So sou gen 6, ou prêter une, prêter 5. So, Miss Jerome, what do I do with the 1 that I borrow? So this one, the 1 that you borrow right here, you put the 1 right there. Remember, you borrow 1. So you put the 1 right there in the front of the number. So far, so good? Okay, so let's see. So now we have 16, take away 9. So now you have to know how to do your subtraction for you to do. You have to know your numbers for you to do subtraction. So 16 take away 9 is what? Okay, you go into 3rd grade, you should not be making 16 circles. Dans la 3e année, ou pas supposé faire 16 circles pour retirer 9. So what do? You count up. So you count up. You say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there you go. So you count up. Okay, so 16 take away 9 is 7. Let's look over here. Now we're on this side right here. 5 minus 3. You have 5 fingers. Can you take away 3? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So what are you left with? You're left with 2. Let's go to the next one. The other one, the last one. 7, take away 5. If you have 7, you take away 5. What is that? 2. How do you know it's 2? You could do 7 fingers, and you take away 5, you have 2. Okay, so that's this one. So far, so good? So far, so good? All right, so let's go do another one. Let's go do another one. So now make sure, I don't think I told you guys to get a notebook and a pencil and an eraser. So go get your pencil, your notebook, and an eraser, because you cannot do math without having your own notebook and pencil. So hurry up, go get it, and I'll wait for you. All right, so you're back. So let's do this one. Let's do 503. You don't say 503. And is a math word. So it's 503. 503 minus 125. So let's look. So you ready? Let's start on the right again. So this is another one. This is another one. So let's start on the right. Open the R. What does the R say? 3, take away 5. So show me 3 fingers. Look at your fingers. You have 3 fingers? Can you take away 5? Can you give your mommy 5 fingers? If you have 3 fingers, you see my 3 fingers? Can I give you 5? No, I cannot give you 5. So let's go to the next door neighbor. Next door neighbor, can you give me 5? No, next door neighbor cannot give you 5 because this is 0. So you have to go to the last one. So you got to pay attention to this one. This one is tricky. So you go to your next door, you go to your neighbor, number 5. You say 5. Hey, hey, 5, my neighbor, can I borrow 1? So if you have 5 and you borrow 1, borrow means take away. That's a that's a that's a that's a subtraction word. So 5 take away 5 take away 1, that'll become 4. Well, what do I do with this one over here, Miss Jerome? Well, you put the 1 right there. You remember that one you borrowed? You put it right there. Always remember that one. Okay. So now, so now this is okay, but you're not done. We still don't have enough because 3 take away 5 cannot do it. So again, you go to your next door neighbor, that next door neighbor, which is 10. You say 10. Can I borrow 1? So if you have 10, you take away 1, what would that be? Very good. If you say 9, very good. So, well, Miss Sharon, what do I do with that 1 that I take? You put it right in front of the 3. So now it's not a 3 anymore. It becomes 13. Okay? So you borrow a 10 from the neighbor. So that becomes 13 right here. All right, so now let's do it. So if you have 13, you take away 5, what is that? So whatever you decide to do, your answer should be 1. So you could count up. So you could say 5, then you say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you only count these circles. So how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is 9 take away 2? 9 take away 2 is, so let's do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm trying to get my pen. So 9, I don't want the eraser, excuse me. My pen is being funny. So 9 take away 2, so we divide. So again, you could count 2 and all the way to 9. So let's do it. Let's do it on this side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's count these right here. How many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That becomes 7. So that's called counting up. So 4 take away 1. 4 take away 1 is what? 3. So that was this one. So this one, you had to borrow from the neighbor all the way to the left. Yes, so they do teach that. So if you're confused, just stop the video and watch again. All right, so let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. Let's find one that is easy. So that's why I want to show you the different ways to do it because third grade do it in every way. So it's good to pay attention. So the next one is gonna be in Creole, so I could do it for my Creole friends. Okay. So let's do so let's do I'm looking for all right, so let's do my pen. So let's do 840 minus 806. An wè ki jan ap fè sa? Nap komanse à droite. Droite lan di 0. E sou ka bam 6? 0. E sou ka bam 6? Sou gen 0. E sou ka retire 6 dwe? Non. So wale kote voisin sou koto lan. Voisin se 4. On di 4. Pretem yon non. So sou gen 4. Ou retire yon. Ou ven rete 3. On y a 4 lan pat. 4 ankon, li vin 3. Pou y a la, sorti prete, sonje sorti prete, ou vin mette l devan li la kon sa. Ou sonje 1 an te prete, ou vin mette 4, et pou prete yon sa, ou vin mette li devan 0. Pou y a an ale. Ou di 10, ou retire 6. Ou di 10, ou retire 6, li vin ba ou 4. Ou di 3, retire 0, sou gen 3. Ou pa retire la dan, san ba ou. Li bon 3. Sou gen 8. Sou gen 8, ou retire 8. Li bon 0. All right, let's do it for my English friends, right? My English friends. So here you go. So you have 840 minus 806. So again, you start on the right. You say 0. Can I have 6? Oh no, you don't have enough. So you go to your next door neighbor. You say, neighbor, can I borrow 1? So 4 becomes a 3 because you borrow 1. So that 1 that you cross off, the 1 that you take away, you come put it right here. That's where you always put that 1 you borrow, right here. You put it right in front of that number. So now we're good. 10 take away 6 is 4. 3 take away nothing is 3. 8 take away 8 is 0. And that's it. So whether you do the subtraction in Creole, whether you do it in English, is the same answer. So I think I'm going to take the opportunity to make the rest of the video the same way. Do one in English and one in Creole. So like that, everybody benefits. All right, so let's go let me clean my board. That's not the way you clean the board. Give me 1 second. Let me clean my board. So we're gonna do another one. All right, so let's do 757 minus 224. All right, so we're gonna start on the right. So the right says 7 take away 4 So we have 7. Do you have enough to take away 4? Yes. So 7 take away 4 is what? If you see 3, let's go right here. 5 take away 2. If you say 3, 7 take away 2, and you should say 5. So we didn't have to borrow from our neighbor because the numbers on top here were big enough. Okay? So now let's do it in Creole. Ou gen 757 moins 224. Ou commencer à droite. Ou 17. Est-ce qu'il me retirer 4 là-dedans? Oui. Si gen 7 douettes, mettez 7 douettes. Est-ce que vous retirez 4? Combien le bas ou? Très bien. Libre 3. On est en à côté là. Si gen 5 douettes, vous retirez 2. Ça le bas ou? Very good. Sou gen 7 douettes, ou retire 2 salba ou. Li bo 5. Très bien. All right, so boys and girls, pause the video so you could watch slowly what I did, okay? So let's go to the next one, to the next slide. And just go to the next slide. Let me see if I find one more that is different I didn't do yet. So make sure you have your pencil. Make sure you're writing everything. Do not write with a pen, because when you make a mistake with a pen, you cannot fix it. But if you make a mistake with a pencil, oh yeah, you could fix that. So let's do number 6. What is number 6? Let me find it. Let's do 4, 6, 4 minus 2, 5, 9. All right, so we're gonna start on the right. So the next 2 slides that I'm going to do, so make sure you do it yourself also. Start on the right. 4 minus 9. Show me 4 fingers. Can you take away 9? No. So you go to your, very good. If you say next door neighbor, go to your next door neighbor. I'm gonna make it a different color so you can see. Go to your next door neighbor, 6. If you have 6, you take away 1, will be what? Very good. 5. And then where do you put that 1 that you took? Yes, put it in front of the 4. Yes. So let's look. 14, take away 9. Yes, it's 5. And if you want to pause the video so you can make your circles or count on your finger, that's fine. Yeah, 5, take away 5 is 0. And you have 4, take away 2, 2. OK, on nous fait en crayon. On dit 464 moins 259. So let's watch. So you start with on the right. Ou commencer sous la main droite là. On dit 4. So you 4 droite. This will come 9. Là, on va commencer. On va aller côté voisin là. On va dire voisin côté mieux. So, si voisin vient 6, c'est le bon mieux. Il vient mettre 5. Yon nan prete ya, un prete ya, ma vin mette l devan direct. Di vin fè 14. Now, an nou kontinye. 14 moins 9. Ou met pose video an, si se pou konte sou dwetou, ou si se pou fè ti bol. 14 moins 9, li ba ou 5. 5 plus 5 moins 5, li ba ou 0. 4 moins 2, li ba ou 2. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do another one. So I hope you guys are getting the hang of this. Math is, you just have to practice math. You know, you cannot just practice today and then don't practice again. You got to practice every day until you understand what you're doing. So if you don't know how to do, maybe you should watch the videos that I did where you need to count by tens if you are struggling counting your numbers. Okay, so let's do another one. This one is 536, 432. Take away. We start on the right. Write it in your paper, please. All right, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this one. So 6 take away 2. Write it on your paper. Good. 6 take away 2. If your answer is 4, good job. Let's go to the next one. 3 take away 3. If you say 0, very good. Kiss your brain. And last one. 5 take away 4. If you say 1, excellent. On fait en créole, 536 moins 432. Ou gen 6, retirer 2, ça le ba ou? 4, très bien. Si gen 3, ou retirer 3, comment rete? 0. Si gen 4, retirer, ou gen 5, ou retirer 4, comment rete? 1. Très bien, excellent. Très bien, très bien. All right, so that one was pretty easy. Ooh. All right, we've got a couple more to do. So let me erase the board. And we are going to do, we're going to do another one. All right, so let's see what. All right, so the next one is going to be, I want to find one that is very hard to do. Okay, let's do, $967 minus 170. Excuse me. Don't know what happened to my pen. 179. All right, this one we gotta focus a little bit, okay? Gotta focus a little bit. So let's start on the right again. What do you say? 7. Do I have, can I have 9? No, you cannot have 9 because 7 is too small. You don't have enough fingers to give me 9. So you could go to your next door neighbor, which is 6. 6. Can I borrow 1 from you? Yes, you could borrow 1. I'm going to show you this 2 ways. Yes, you could borrow 1 from 6. So 6 becomes 5. And the 1 goes right here. So, okay. Now, let's keep going. 17 take away 9 is what? It should be 6. Okay? Now, let's look. 5. Can I take away 7? 5. Can I take away 7? No, cannot take away 7. So you could go to your next door neighbor now, which is 9. So 9 take away 8. 9 take away 1 is 8. Where do I put that 1 that I get from the 9, Miss Jerome? You put it right here. So that becomes 15. 15 take away 7. You count up 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which is 8. And 8 take away 1 is 7. OK? So, on nous dit, on a fait 9, 67, retirer 179. So, on dit 9, et si on a 7, et si on a retiré 9, faut qu'on dise 7, parce que sans l'air nous commencer. You guys have to say 7 because you thought on top. 7, on a retiré 9? Non, ou pas assez. Ou alors, prêter beaucoup de voisins ça. So, qu'on y a là, 600, parité 600 encore, il vient 5, parce qu'on prête 1. Qu'on y a là, 1, on vient mettre devant 7 là, qui vient faire 17. 17 retirer 9, ça le baou, il baou 6. 5, qu'on y a, on va regarder, on va dire 5. Est-ce qu'on a 7? Non, ou pas gen assez douette, ou aller dans voisin sous côté là qui 9, ou prêter une dans 9 là. So, sous gen 9, ou prêter une, il vient boy 8. 1 ou prêter, on vient mettre sous côté 5 là, il vient faire 15. Parce que c'est 10 ou prêter dans 9 là. On y a là, il vient faire 15 moins 7, il vient voir qui ça? 8. 8 moins 1 égale 7. So, si petit ou gen ti problème fait base addition, li pas cap faire ça yo dans troisième année. So, al réviser l'autre vidéo on fait yo, pour ça, yo cap comprendre. All right, guys. So, I'm hoping you guys got the hang of this because we did different subtraction. So, to help you master the skills of subtraction. So we're going to erase this. We are going to erase this, and then we're going to do, we got about 2 more to do. We got about 2 more to do, so let's see. All right, so let me see if I find another one. Let me see if I find another one to do. That is, so 825, excuse me, my pen is not writing. 825 minus 133. So let's start on the right again. Your turn. Very good. If you say 5 take away 3, you have enough. That's 2. Very good. Now do the next step, which is right here. Very good. If you say you don't have enough, you need to go to your next door neighbor. Very good. If you say it's 7, and you say you put the 1 in front of the 2, very good. If you say 12 take away 3 is what? You say, very good. If you say 9, and if you say 7 take away 1 is what? You say 6. Good job. So, on a fairly en créole. So, gen 825, ou nan wap fel pou kontou, et puis ou gade pou est sou kompane. Ou commencer sur la main droite. Qui sont dit? Très bien. Sauter 5, retirer 3. Vous aurez 2. 5 retirer 3, vous aurez 2. Pour nous supposer là. Supposer venir là pour faire là. Qui sont dit là? Vous dites 2, est-ce qu'on a bon droit? Il dit non? OK. Pour nous avoir le voisin, oui. Au voisin, boyoun, mettez là, mettez youn là. On a ça passé 8 là. Il va pas 8 encore, passer le boyoun. Pour nous arrêter qui ça? C'est, sous 8 li boyoun. Oui, on a 27. On a continué. 12, on retire 3. Il bon 9. Pour 7, retirer 1. Très bien. Très bien. All right. So I am going to do the last one. I am going to put a math equation for you, and I'm not going to give you the answer. I'm going to give you the math equation. I'm not going to give you the answer. What I want you to do is to do it. And then after you do it, I want you to ask your mommy to send it to me on YouTube. I want you to ask your mommy to send it to me on YouTube so I get to see what you did. So please ask your mommy to take a picture or to send or type it in to type your answer for me. I want to see if you are able to do it by yourself. In the next one, I promise that I will do an addition one. Okay, so but this is the last one. We're going to do the last one. And so I'm gonna write send. Let me get my pen. Send me. My pen is not writing nice. Your answer. So send me your answer, okay? So I'm typing it with my pen. My pen is being funny. Send me your answer. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna, which one I should do? I'm gonna do this one. 428 minus 201. So that's the one that you need to send me your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. So make sure you guys send me your answer because I am not going to do it with you. So do it by yourself. Do not go ask your big brother to do it for you. Do it by yourself and send me your answer. Let's see if you were paying attention. Okay, so send me your answer. So, okay, boys and girls, so mettez ça comme ça, soustraction 428 moins 201, fais-les, et puis pour vous montrer, ce qu'a fait pour compte. OK? Dis maman taper réponse pour me kawé ce qu'a fait bien. OK? All right, so that's it for parents. So make sure you pause the video, watch it with them, so like that they will know step by step how to do it. Learning math is not learning math is not a one step problem. Oh, I'm doing it today and then I don't need to. You need to do it again and again and again. So learning math is like learning a new language. So it's like me teaching you Creole. So please practice with the kids. Mes amis parents, fait mathématiques, c'est quoi, on va pas prendre une nouvelle langue. ouais, même genre, pas apprendre anglais, elle pas facile pour eux, mais c'est même genre pour ti moun yo apprendre mathématiques. M'encourager nous, fait ti moun yo regarder vidéo hein, plusieurs fois pour faire pratique, pour comprendre, et puis capter, et puis bah, plusieurs problèmes comme ça pour yo faire pratique, ok? So, moi, me fait dernier slide là, me pas mettre réponse là, moi, je voulais pour ti moun yo pour dire qui réponse yo joindre. Ok, so tapez réponse dans commentaire en bas vidéo hein, pour connaît que yo fait pour compte yo, pas ba yo réponse et puis si yo pas joindre refaire yo garder vidéo encore. All right, parents, if your child does not get it, let them watch the video again. And then again, it's like learning a new language. Do not give them the answer. And type the answer for me in the comment. Let's see how many of them understood how to do 3-step subtraction problem. So that was it. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. See you later, alligator. All right, c'est ça seulement, mesdames et messieurs. À bientôt. Bye.